Hello and welcome to today's session. By the end of this session, you will achieve Learning Outcome 3, the ability to develop a computer program that meets a client brief. Today, we will explore the development of a task management application using Python. From setting up your development environment to deploying a fully functional, mobile-friendly app, this session will guide you step by step. You'll learn how to design and build an application that not only works efficiently, but also aligns with the needs of your client. Are you ready to bring your ideas to life through practical programming? Let's get started. This unit focuses on programming and scripting principles using Python. Python is versatile, used for applications like utilities, web apps, and bespoke solutions. It's also ideal for scripting, automating tasks, and data pipelines. Additionally, Python is popular in AI, machine learning, and DevOps. Let's explore its use in creating a task management app. The client requires a mobile task management app for organizing daily tasks. Users should add, edit, delete tasks, set deadlines, and mark tasks as completed. The app's interface must be intuitive and mobile-friendly. We'll follow a structured approach to meet these requirements. Let's begin with setting up the development environment. First, ensure Python is installed from the official website. Install necessary libraries like Flask for backend development and SQLite for the database. Jinja 2 will help with templating, and other libraries like Pandas might be needed. Create a project structure with directories for templates and static files. This setup lays the foundation for coding the app. Begin by creating app.py with Flask to handle routes and views. Set up a SQLite database for task storage. Define models in models.py to manage task data. Implement routes for adding, editing, and deleting tasks. Ensure the application logic aligns with the client brief for task management. Design HTML templates for the app's interface. Create index, HTML to list tasks, and add task, HTML for task creation. Use Jinja 2 for dynamic content rendering. Ensure the interface is user-friendly and responsive. This step ensures the app meets the client's design expectations. Testing is crucial to ensure the app functions correctly. Perform unit tests to verify individual functions. Conduct integration tests to ensure components work together. User acceptance testing identifies usability issues. Thorough testing guarantees a reliable and user-friendly app. Unit tests. Check specific parts of the code for correctness. Use unit test to test task addition functionality. Set up a test database to isolate tests from production data. Verify task creation and data integrity. Unit tests ensure the app behaves as expected under various conditions. After testing, deploy the app to a production environment. Set up a web server like Unicorn for Flask applications. Configure the database server and ensure internet accessibility. Deployment makes the app available to users. It's the final step in delivering the app to the client. Implement the app using standard programming constructs. Use variables, functions, loops, and conditionals. Follow coding standards for readability and maintainability. Apply constructs to manage tasks and user interactions. This ensures the app's functionality aligns with the client brief. Validation ensures user input is correct and secure. Implement checks for presence, data type, and format. Validate inputs in add, task, and edit task functions. Ensure data integrity and prevent errors. Validation enhances the app's reliability and security. Adhering to the PEP 8 style guide improves code readability. Use naming conventions for variables and functions. Maintain consistent code layout and indentation. Include comments for better understanding. This adherence ensures the code is maintainable and professional. Version control software like Git is crucial in development. It tracks changes and facilitates collaboration among developers. Git allows branching and merging for feature isolation. It provides a backup and recovery system. Version control ensures efficient and organized project management. Git commands manage code changes and collaboration. Use git add to stage changes for commit. Git commit records changes in the repository. Git push uploads local changes to a remote repository. Git pull fetches and merges remote changes. Git checkout switches, branches, or restores files. Version control enhances productivity and collaboration. It improves code quality through reviews and integration, provides tools for effective project management, ensures data backup and recovery. Version control is essential for successful software development. Branching allows safe experimentation with new features. Developers can isolate features and merge once complete. It enables parallel development without affecting the main codebase. Experimentation fosters innovation and improvement. Branching is a key advantage of version control systems. In conclusion, developing a task management application necessitates a systematic and well-structured approach. Each phase, from establishing the development environment to deploying the final product, plays a critical role in ensuring the app's functionality and reliability. Utilizing Python and Flask provides both flexibility and robust capabilities for building the application, while implementing version control facilitates efficient project management and collaboration. Adhering to established best practices throughout the development process ultimately leads to a high-quality and maintainable product. You can reach us on WhatsApp at 074-8436-1688 for any queries. A team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and see you at the following session.